Hi class, it's your professor, and this is a short video about the final class project. As per syllabi, we will have a final class project in the supply chain innovation course. And in this video, I will walk you through what are the basic requirements and expectations for the class project. So let me open the presentation. So the class project, it's a final paper and a team based project. I'm expecting you to have teams that will have between 2 and 4 students, and you already have teams as you are working on your case reports and case analysis. So probably the best possible way is just to um, stay with the same team. So the class project is about analyzing supply chain of global, or it can be national, large company, and you will be asked to analyze company data in terms of supply chain, covering the period from year 2005 to the present. So the important part of the project will be a literature review. You will be asked to analyze available resources. Definitely, you can use Becker Library, and articles can be found in different journals like Harvard Business Review, The Economist, Sloan Management Review, for example. And it is strongly advised to avoid really very commercial journals like Business Week, for example. So after doing a literature review about a particular supply chain, about analyzing a particular company or their partners or their members in a supply chain, and you can assume that this particular company will be a focal firm, you will draw a map of their supply chain. So it will either be a pipeline or a platform supply chain. So however, you will do something similar as we are doing in the classroom, when you will start with the suppliers, and then go through um, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, to the farthest right side, to the final user, the consumer. The next step will be writing down a few paragraphs and addressing topics that we addressed so far during the semester, like the supply chain integration, strategic alliances, or partnership. So with that, I mean that you will have to talk about who their supplier, manufacturer are, and really give us a better overview on the supply chain. You will be asked to talk about a network and network planning, information technology that they're using, forecasting. And with this, it's always good to think about either this is a pull or push-based supply chain, collaboration within the supply chain, sustainability. We talked about a triple bottom line, and the good question is the supply chain and their members, are they trying to support the triple bottom line or not? You will be asked to talk about supply chain models, and we will spend next week talking about different supply chain models and analytics. So basically means try to analyze how about the performance of this particular supply chain that you're going to analyze. Your term paper, your team paper, excuse me, should be between 5 to 10 pages. And please don't forget to cite all the resources, all the references you're going to use. And also, please refer to rubrics that is available on Canvas. And don't forget to add the important parts into your report. such an abstract, an introduction, the main body, conclusion, and observation. And definitely, as I mentioned before, don't forget to add a reference section. You will be presenting your work on week 12. So we have November 14th and November 16th reserved for class presentation. This is the week before Thanksgiving. So this will be the last important part in the class, although we will continue with the lectures till the end of the semester and discussions and all our work related to a supply chain. So don't forget, there is a class project. You can find the description here on these slides and on this video, and also on syllabi that's posted on the canvas. It is a group project, and if you will have any questions about this, please let me know, and I will be happy to give you additional explanation about this, I think, important final class project. So thank you, and we'll see you in the classroom.